tomorrow we're getting a blizzard, and it just so happens that tomorrow was my appointment to discuss all of the results from my fertility testing, and I got the call today that they were canceling my appointment because of the snow or whatever, and they want to make sure their people are safe. Fuck them. But so I called to reschedule my appointment, and the earliest appointment they had was either today at 11, I called them at noon, or March 9th. So I just figured that obviously this is a sign that this isn't meant to be, and we should just stop all of this testing and trying and just let nature take its course and give up. And obviously Jeff is annoyed with me. He thinks I'm being a baby, thinks I'm being dumb. But part of the reason I waited so long to even see a fertility specialist was because I knew that it was going to be disappointing a lot, and I just kind of wanted to get this part over with and not have to wait. And I already waited for this appointment for 1 month, and now I have to wait another 2 months, which is a total of 3 months just to get some fucking results. Like, that's all we're gonna be doing is talking about fucking results. So I just wanted to give up and forget about it. If we get pregnant, we get pregnant. That's it. But Jeff convinced me to call back. So basically, I called back and I asked if I could see the other doctor in that office, and I was able to get an appointment with him on the 17th, which is only a couple of weeks away. But I have to start from scratch. Basically, instead of discussing the results, I have to have a consultation with this doctor. But I don't think that he'll make me redo the tests. At least I hope not. Because if that is the case, then I definitely am giving up, and that's it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens on the 17th. And now, at least Jeff isn't mad at me. So that's good, I guess.